Higher returns sound great until volatility makes you panic. I mentioned previously in other videos about how risk tolerance actually impacts your portfolio. Check out this graph. On one side, conservative portfolios hold more bonds, and on the other side, aggressive portfolios hold more stocks. And yes, they both do go up over time, but the difference is volatility. The aggressive portfolio may experience larger swings, sharper declines, and more emotional pressure during market downturns. And that matters, because if you're in a portfolio where you're experiencing these sharp declines and you're not prepared for it emotionally, most people will just pull out. And that's exactly the wrong type of behavior, and that could hurt portfolios. And that's why the best portfolios aren't the ones that just experience the best returns. It's the one that's aligned with your emotions and how you'll behave during difficult market environments. Your tolerance to risk, or intolerance to risk, is actually more important to your portfolio than the actual investments themselves, because it's important to stay invested in a portfolio even during the difficult times. Don't forget to hit the follow button for more investment insights. See you next time.